Hello and welcome back to Code M. In previous video we have seen how to import data uh, in PGIME and how to run some queries using that data. So now I will extend this topic and I'll run some queries which is important from interview perspective, how the interviewer might ask you about the data and they can ask you to arrange some data or they want you to perform some queries on that data. So we'll see the queries one by one. I'll answer them and you can practice this simultaneously with me. Once I read the question, you can pause the video and write some queries and check the answer again in this video. Okay, so let's start. First question is, if we can find all products with the discount greater than 30%. So when it comes to greater than, less than, is there any condition? We can use where clause. So the query will be select asterisk from Amazon. I have already mentioned the in the previous video that why am I using this double quotes around my table name, because the table name starts with the uppercase letter, so that is why I have to use this, unless you can write it as it is, where discount percentage is greater than 30. So now we'll run this query. Yeah, so we got the data. We'll verify once this discount percentage greater than 30. You can see. You can write this query like this also, or in a single line also. That's upon you. Now we'll see list categories and their average ratings. So select category. We have category table, category column, and we want ratings also, but not normal. We want average of that rating. So we'll type average rating as. Why am I using as? Because I want to give the table column name as this. This is nothing but the alias. Amazon group by, we need to group by this, group by category and column. So group by collects your date by the category, data by the category field before applying the aggregation. Aggregation is nothing but the average of your rating. Yeah, so we got the data. Okay, now let's move on to the next. Show the top 5 highest discounted products. So for that we'll display product name and discount percentage Amazon order by discount percentage in descending order, and we want top 5, right? So we'll use this limit clause. Now we'll run this query. Okay, we got that top 5. Okay, so order by descending, this sort rows from the highest to lowest, uh, like normal descending orders, right? And what's new? This limit. Okay, it returns the top 5. Why 5? Because I have entered the number. If I enter 2, it will return the 2 values. Let's see your result. Now we want find all the users who reviewed a product and their review titles. Okay, who reviewed the products and the review title. So we can check if a column has a non-null value, right? Because what the question demands, we want to find the users who reviewed a product and the review title. There is one review title column, and if the user has not reviewed the product, the value is null. Okay, so we want that data which is not null. Okay, so for that we need username, review title from Amazon. Okay, where where review title is not null. Let's run this query. See, we got the usernames and the review title also. Let's verify this. We have lots of data. You can do this on your own data. If you have less number of data, you can also verify it. Now we'll count how many products fall under each category, right? This is something interesting. So in that I will use count. It counts all the rows within each group. We'll use group by. Okay, we'll group it by category. Okay, so let's see. Select, we want category. We use count function. Count asterisk. Why asterisk? Because I want to count all the data. Right, we'll use alias over here. We'll give the name as product count from Amazon. Group by category. Okay, now let's run this query. Let's just remember we are counting this while grouping by the category. Okay, as product here the okay, we forgot to give the comma. Okay, just spelling. My bad. Yeah, we got the data. We got category and the product count. In the computer and accessories we have 20, electronics we have 8, and so on. Now let's move on to the next. Okay, now what is the most expensive product? Okay, so for that we have column name actual price. So we'll see that. Select product name comma actual price. from, we want product name, right? Order by, we as I have mentioned, we have the column name actual price in descending order, and I want most expensive product, right? So as I have previously mentioned the limit clause, we'll use limit clause over here, but I want the most expensive, like topmost product, so that I limit that as limit 1. So yeah, we got the most expensive product. Okay, now we have one more question.